I'm going to be showing you how to go from this lighting setup to this lighting setup. Hey Glamfam, so today I have a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be partnering with Socialite lighting. I'm going to be sharing with you my lighting setup and my filming setup in my studio. I'm super excited and I've never done anything like this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glamfam. And also, I started a new channel. It is called Josie K. It doesn't come up when you search it in the YouTube bar yet because we're still really small, but I will link it in the description below so you can click it and go maybe subscribe for my more personal videos. I have not posted anything yet, but I will soon. And yeah, I use the company Socialite lighting for my lighting for my studio. If you would like to check out Social Lighting, I will leave their website down in the description below. It is socialitelighting.com. I do use a 3-point lighting system here in my studio, which means one light in the center of the camera frame and then 2 side piece lights to help correct any shadows. Socialite has so many amazing lighting gadgets and accessories, just anything you can think of that you would need to actually, you know, film, they have. First thing that we're going to be talking about is this amazing ring light. It is so helpful because now my camera sits in the center of the light, which really helps with shadows. This is probably one of the best well put together ring lights I have ever laid eyes on. It has really helped step up my lighting game. It has staggered LED lights all the way around the light, and then it comes with temperature diffusers that you can attach to the ring light. So one is to help make the light brighter, and the other one is to help it look more warm. So here are the diffusers that you put onto the LED ring light, and this is the warm. I actually have the cool on my ring light right now. Ring light is also dimmable, which is so cool. The real nice thing about this ring light is that it is height adjustable. It also comes with this very awesome mirror that goes up and under your camera. It's really good for lives. I usually use it when I'm going live on YouTube or on a Facebook Live. Socialite lighting also has this amazing adapter. This is the replacement 2-in-1 bracket that you can use instead of your DSLR holder. This one actually holds things, anything from a tablet to an iPad to a smartphone. It has this amazing feature in which it can go to pretty much any size of device. So you can put your devices either horizontal in here or vertical. That is why this has such a huge difference in size. Sorry about that. Probably was a horrible sound to hear. If you're wanting to look into maybe becoming a YouTuber yourself, or maybe you just want to, you know, experiment with film, this ring light is so amazing, which is a great partner into the next things we are going to be talking about, which is the LED panel lights. So these are amazing. They can be battery operated, which is amazing for photo shoots because you don't always have a plug-in. They are great for, you know, boudoir shoots, senior photo shoots, just regular portraits, family portraits, family pictures, couples, weddings, pretty much anything you can think of, these will help so much with. The LED panels, which I have on both sides of me right now, actually also dim, and they also go from warm lighting to cool lighting, which again is such a great feature. The long-lasting LED bulbs are cool to the touch, so you can keep your cool under the bright lights with no annoying humming or flickering common with fluorescent bulbs, which was a huge struggle of mine before with my old lighting. It got so extremely hot underneath all of the lights. Sometimes when I film, it takes hours, and sometimes I would have to take breaks because I was sweating so bad. I have now filmed, I think, 4 or 5 videos, which took me a while to film, and you don't even feel the light. There is no heat emitted from these lights, so it's really, really nice. Also, not to mention, they are super, super bright. These aren't even, right now, they are not even turned up all the way. I think they're at 75%. And not to mention, these are all LED bulbs, so they're going to last you for so long. So much longer than a regular fluorescent bulb. They also sent me this remote shutter. It's Bluetooth and it goes with your camera, which is great because let me tell you, it sucks when you're trying to get a really good selfie and you have to reach and then press it and then hurry up and try and go back to place or put your timer on. You can just hold this and take pictures just like that. Like legit, it's that easy. It is really that easy. They also have a lot of accessories on their website I don't have right here, but I will be purchasing in the future. They have a shorter stand for the ring light so that you can put it on a countertop if you are needing it to be closer to your face. They also have like a smaller tripod that holds your phone in different positions so that you can pretty much maybe go live wherever you want. My desk, as you will see here, has my laptop on it for a live view so I can see myself while I'm filming this video. That live view is connected to my camera and my camera is connected to my ring light. And then I have these 2 side panels next to the ring light, which have really changed the game when it comes to me filming because it saves so much space, and also they're really small but super powerful. I absolutely love their products. They have changed my life when it comes to lighting. They have changed my whole entire YouTube game. They've changed my whole entire live game, like how I go live. It's absolutely amazing, and if you guys would like to check them out, I will leave them in the description below, as well as links to all of the stuff that I own that is by them. I think that is it, guys. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. And also, don't forget to check out my new channel, which is Josie K. You can't find it if you just search it in YouTube yet, but I will leave a link down below in the description for that as well. I will be posting more personal videos on that channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah.